On the political transition in the Republic of Mali, the authority remains concerned about the deterioration of the security situation in Mali as a result of the heightened political uncertainties in the country. It calls on the transition authority to intensify their effort to improve the security situation, especially by ensuring effective state presence in the affected area. In this context, the authority calls on the neighboring countries to step up security presence along the border with Mali and instruct the ECOWAS Commission to deepen the ongoing discussion with the African Union Commission with a view to enhancing the security situation in the Sahel. Furthermore, the authority calls for a more robust and offensive mandate and enhance the operational capacity of MINUSMA to deal with terrorism challenge in Mali. ECOWAS will accordingly request from the Security Council of the United Nations to make the necessary amendment to this mandate. On the political front, the chair of ECOWAS informed the authority of the official notification by the transition authorities of their inability to meet the transition deadline of end February 2022. The authority highly deplores the lack of progress made in the preparation for the election, including the absence of a detailed timetable of activities for the conduct of election on the agreed dates. The authority reiterates the need to adhere to the transition timetable in respect of the election scheduled for 27 February 2022 and calls on the transition authorities to act accordingly to ensure expeditious return to constitutional order. Accordingly, the authority calls on the international community to take the necessary measures to ensure that the transition authority respect their commitment to an expeditious return to constitutional order. In conformity with the decision taken on 16 September 2021, the authority decided to impose sanctions with immediate effect against individuals and groups who have been identified, including the entire members of the transition authorities and other transition institutions. These sanctions will also be imposed on the members of their families. The sanctions include a travel ban and a freeze on the financial asset. It further instructs the President of the Commission to consider and propose additional sanctions at its next ordinary session on 12 December 2021, should the situation persist. Furthermore, the authority calls on the African Union, the United Nations, and the bilateral and other multilateral partners to endorse and support the implementation of these sanctions.